Hi, my name is Magdalena, and today we're going to talk about my Stackathon project, which is the analysis of song lyrics by their overall sentiment. And I first want to talk about the tools I used, which are first and foremost Google Cloud Natural Language API, which can analyze the text for its overall sentiment. It will give us a sentiment score, which ranges from -1, negative, to +1, positive. And negative and positive emotions it detects are balancing each other out. So this is a normalized scale. And then it will also give us the sentiment magnitude, which is just to tell us how emotional a certain text is. So this ranges from 0 to infinity, which means any emotion it finds in a text is going to add to this measure. And then I also played around with magenta.js, which is a fun music library built on top of Tensorflow.js, which has some pre-trained models. And I wish I could have done more with that, and I think that's a plan for the future. So let's take a look. Now I have to move that here. And I prepared a couple of lyrics for us to test out. I'm sure you are probably familiar with some of these. So this is Justin Timberlake, Can't Stop This Feeling. For those of you familiar with the song, typically a very happy song. So let's see what our sentiment analysis says. Sentiment score 0.3, so this is pretty positive actually, and sentiment magnitude 9. You'll see this is relatively high. So yes, this is a happy song. This is a positive song, I should say. We'll see in a moment why I should say positive song and not happy, because this analysis is letting us know if a song is positive or negative. It doesn't tell us distinct emotions such as sad or angry. Okay. Let's check out, this is Someone Like You from Adele, which, has been on the radio a lot a while ago. It's like very emotional, very sad, and like how I remember it. If we analyze this, the sentiment score comes up to 0, which is interesting. But when we take a closer look, I think it's mostly because Adele sings about love, which is positive. Adele is also very factional in some regard here. It's like, I heard you were settling down, you're married now, da-da-da-da. So I think that's why the sentiment score is 0 here. I have one more, which is a fun one. This is by Flight of the Conchords, which, if you're not familiar with them, they are basically a musical comedy duo. So think of it as comedy in music form. This is a song called Robots, sung by robots after the robot apocalypse, so all the humans are dead. Please mind the last line here, where it's robots, so they sing without emotion. That's when when it's really getting real. But the humans are dead. Let's analyze this. This is kind of negative and extremely emotional, as you can see. So the robots are doing not a great job at not being not emotional here. I have a fun extra button, which is like a mystery bonus button that is going to, based on magenta.js, generate some random sounds after it's loading. As random machine learning based sounds. And I would like to end, I know I'm running out of time, but I would like to end on kind of a reflective note, which doesn't need a lot of more talking. That's fail fast, fail forward, which definitely was part of this project. Thank you.